In the previous video, we have successfully created the Azure Web App. Now, in this video, I am going to show you how to deploy your .NET application into the web app. So, right click on your project, click on the Publish, choose Azure, click on the Next, use Azure App Services. I already use the Windows, so we can choose the Windows. Now, if you have to log in your Azure account. I am already logged in. That's why it not show. Otherwise, you have to log in. Here is my resource group, my web app. You can verify from here. Resource group, my web app. You can open it. Now, my web app demo is my app name. You can relate from here. Now, just click on the finish. Once you create the finish button, your deployment profile is ready with your default your Azure URL. If you can navigate also from the here. Just copy and use the same URL. It will be the same URL for this. Now you can hit on the it is start your public application. Yes, stop debugging. Starting your publishing application to your Azure App Services. So here I am using the platform installing the ASP.NET Core. Now, as you can see, it runs successfully and it display the hello world. You can just refresh this page and here. So this is the easiest way to deploy your .NET application into the Azure Web App or Azure Services. So I hope you understand. If you still have any query, so please feel free to contact with us.